When Opera Browser auto starts every time you turn on your PC, these quick 2 steps will fix that. To prevent Opera Browser from automatically opening every time your PC starts, we need to make changes in 2 places. Let's start with the first step. Head over to your taskbar, right-click on it, and select Task Manager from the menu. Once Task Manager is open, click on Startup tab. Here, you will find Opera Browser on the list, and as you can see, its status is currently set to Enabled. We need to change that. All you need to do is right-click on Opera and select Disable. Now, let's move on to the second step, and this one is done inside Opera Browser itself. Go to the top left corner, click that small red icon, and from the menu, select Settings. Once you are in Settings, go to the left panel and select on Startup. Now, look at the last option, Run when my computer starts, and simply turn that option off. From now, Opera will no longer open automatically on startup and stop consuming your PC's resources unnecessarily.